Hello. So I'm back again, and between the last video and this one, my channel's grown to over 100 people, and I think that that's absolutely awesome. And thank you very much if you're one of the new subscribers. To celebrate that, I made myself a little play button. Anyway, thank you very much for subscribing, and let's get back into the project that we were working on, or that I was working on, because you weren't working on it, I was working on it. So it was the background music app. Let's see what we got going. So I think the last thing I did was looked at the project outline, and what I wanted to do was, so in this one, I'm going to work on importing audio files as clips. Now, what I've also done is I've created some background music. So I've got some clips here that I'm going to use to import so that one, it's my music, and two, it's not that very short clip that we've been subjected to for the last couple of videos. So let's get started. Now, I probably want to try and do it as a separate import window / flow. I want to be able to select files using OS file browser. Select files by drag and drop. So let's just start there and see if I can get those imported like that. So where's going to be the best place to start? Let me get my terminal. And then remind myself what my npm run dev. Okay. So I don't think I'm going to do it in a separate window. I think I will just do it in this window here. So where is my app view? So I've got my tracks and the mixer. So in the tracks, I should just close everything else. So in the tracks, item, flex, and then I've got my track in there. So where would be the best place to put it? Okay, so tracks, and then we do so I'll have the container, and then I'm also going to have a toolbar. And what I'll have in here is I'll have a button to manage tracks. Right, so of course that's not going to work, because what I need to do now is I need to actually put in my that's going to be in a column. And so I've got the tracks container, which has got its tracks, and then there will be the tracks toolbar, which I will make set height, and I will turn flex off for that, and then the container can then expand to fill the available space. Okay, so let me give you border. Right. I have a panel border. Border. Track. Toolbar border. And then we'll also use the track border. A bit messy at the moment. Tracks toolbar border. So that needs to be tracks plural. Cool. Let me just set the margin, put a little bit of margin at the top of that. So where's my toolbar? Margin top of 1 rem. Cool, cool, cool. And then let me just put a little bit of padding on the inside. Cool. Manage tracks. And then let me go button. Background color is white. Turn off the border. So I'm also going to have the border and then have font color, which will be get some coffee. Just close my door. A little bit of noise coming in from outside. Okay, so let's see. We got Adobe color. Let's see what the trending colors are. And pick one of those. connection is low. No, I don't want to create. Now I go back. Want something with pop. Yeah, game design. These look pretty cool. Nice and colorful. Nice bright colors. Let's see what else have we got in here. I like that color. So we'll make that the background that, and then I will make button color hover, not button, button color hover white. Now I can go back down to my button and then say color, and then on hover. Color will be button color hover, and the background color will be the button background color in the hover state. So let's see how that looks. Oh, something's wrong. Right, okay, so things have to be lowercase. Yeah, but for my button, I want to actually, and actually let me break that out and go into controls. And in here, I will put the button. And then in here, I should bring in the control. Base controls. That's a new line. There you go. And then what I want to do here is go. I want it to be uppercase. No, not text. It's text transform. Cool. And then I want a little bit of padding. No, I want it the other way. I want it to be horizontally padded a bit thicker. Cool. So what I probably want to do here now is break this out a bit. So what do I call this? I'll call it main for now. actually want to take all of this. Yeah. And put this into the main, including the the imports. And then we go. What I'm going to do is I'm going to actually just rename you. So it makes sense, main view. And here I'm going to import main view from main view. And in here I need you to, nope, main view. Okay, missing semicolon. Where am I missing a semicolon? In the main view. Right at the end there. Okay. Now I need in my layout, I actually want to go to views. No, I want it to be, oops. Let me remove that. To stick with the same naming convention. So main view. And then dot main view. And then in my layout, I can pretty much grab all of this and namespace it in here. Then RPG base unit, all of this needs to go in here. And I need to make sure that the main view pulls the view. Let's see, what have I got here? Empty source. Source new. And I suppose I actually need to import that as well. So add import. Okie Spinoki, but no, what's happening here? What's happening here? What's happening? Why? Okay, so that's got the 100%. And that's also got that. But idiot. Let me actually grab this. And drop it in here. And presto, we're back where we started. Cool. So now I want to create manage tracks view. Manage the tracks full. Then what I want to do is I want to render that into here. I want to say manage tracks view, and I need to import it. Okay, 3 minutes left. 4 minutes, 4 and a bit. So now I should have managed the tracks full. And what I want to do is I want some styles for that. Manage tracks view. Let me actually use the same. Because I want to use the same naming structure, because I don't want to do a whole mishmash and like I don't want snake case or whatever is it? Yeah, snake case or whatever it is, plus camel case, plus. So this way it should be a little bit easier to just see at a glance what's what. So in here I'm gonna have to change this to main view and also import manage tracks view. And then let me go into my manage tracks view and say manage tracks position fixed Z index 2. And then while I'm at that, let me just go position index will be 1. Z index is 2. Okay, so then I want my left to be 0, top to be 0, width is 100%, and height will be 100%, and background color will be, make that nice and dark. No, how did I name, what did I name them here? Okay, I did trail that with color. End of source, new line. Right, here we go. Cool, manage the tracks full. What I think I'm gonna do is just, while I still have a few seconds left, is actually make this kind of float on top of everything. So top left, so then I'm gonna be doing it. Bottom is 1 REM, and right is 1 REM, and then I want to go box shadow, not 2 pixels, 4 pixels, RGBA, not 1.5. Okay, I'm going to leave that there. But I think that's a good place to start. We've got we've broken out the other components. into, well, like we've broken the stuff out of the layout into its own view, its own style sheets and things, and we've created this new view, which will be more like a modal, but anyway, to manage the tracks. So next up, it is actually working with the kind of logic to handle the track imports. So thank you very much for watching. And once again, thank you very much for subscribing to the new people that have joined. And I'll be back shortly.